my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tyra No Banks, Tyra Raquel, whichever one you want to call me. And today I'm so excited because we are unboxing a luxury black owned brand, okay? And I'm so excited because if y'all seen my Telfar unboxing, that's a cute purse. I love it. I only want like a few more colors in the small size, but I think all the other purses that I'm gonna get from Telfar, they're gonna be the medium, because the medium to me is a large. So yeah, but we're gonna talk about Brandon Blackwood, I believe, New York. Yes, Brandon Blackwood. So I ordered one purse and it came in this, in this little box. So like the packaging on the outside isn't, you know, wow. Oh, that's cute though. Okay, y'all know it comes with the duster bag, so you know. Let's see, I got a card. It says thank you so much for shop. Oh, and he wrote it in pen, or it's just printed. It's printed like that. So I got excited for a minute because I'm like, oh my god, he personalized it. But he wrote it out in his handwriting, and then he got it printed like that. Is it gonna focus? There we go. And so it says, thank you so much for shopping the brand. I hope you love your new items as much as I had designing them. Can't wait to see you style it. And then he signed it. That's cute. So before I open it, this is what it looks like. And it's just a white duster bag, and it says Brandon Blackwood, New York, right here in black. And so it's just something to keep your bag in. And then I forgot which, they don't have no like name of what I got. This is just a cardboard piece. Another one. And then we're gonna put the duster bag over here. And this is the bag that I got. It's so cute. It says Brandon Blackwood, New York right here. Has the handle. It's a box. Box. Out of the box. Out of the box. Out of the box. Anyways, so black is like my favorite color. Like y'all already know. Y'all should know that. And so I was like, okay, my first bag from him should be black. It would have been black for Telfar, but Telfar, you know, they sell by colors, and whew, child, they be moving too fast, honey. You had a thing in your cart, and then you look up and it's not there anymore. So with them, you definitely got to keep your like notifications on and stuff like that. And I would say the same for them, because I know they have a bag and it's called like the pony hair, but they got it in like different colors, and y'all, that bag's so fire, but it's sold out. And how did I found out I cannot get this plastic off, and I know y'all see me struggling, but I found out about this brand on Twitter, and then my best friend had sent it to me off of TikTok, and I was like, girl, you already late to the game. I knew about, there we go, I knew about this brand before you sent it to me. But she ended up ordering, I believe, 3 purses, and I was like, dang, girl. But if you see something you really like, you gotta get it. So with this bag, it has silver detailing. I don't really care too much about silver detailing, but it doesn't hurt to have a bag with silver detailing, because then you'll look up and you'll be like, oh man, I need a bag that has silver detailing. So yeah, so it has this clasp right here. Let's open it. It reminds me of like an instrument case, how you gotta open it. And this is faux leather, because if it was real leather, baby, it would have cost more. It would have cost way more. I got this for, was it $150, I believe, or $100? It might have been like $100, $110, $150, one of those. But you open it, and it has the longer strap, which I like. What else? It has like this scent thing on the inside, I guess, so it doesn't have like that weird smell. But this got this smell weird. This smells weird. What else they got in here? Nothing, just a piece of plastic. But yeah, I mean, you can fit your phone, you can fit your keys, you can actually fit a lot of stuff if you think about it. I can put some pens in here, my keys. I can put a smaller wallet. I believe maybe I could even put my regular wallet in here too. And it's just on the inside, it says Brandon Blackwood, New York, right here. It doesn't have any pockets, so it's just a freelance purse. So let's put the strap on here. So it comes in its own separate little bag. It's cute. I feel like I'm about to drop the purse. So it has an adjustable strap right here. Again, silver detailing. Oh, and I just noticed the little hooks on the side, because I thought to hook it to this right here. Styling and profiling, period. Styling and profiling. Okay. Okay, so I got it on there. And it makes a cute shoulder bag. This is like hella cute. And I wish I could just brunch like I used to brunch, because baby, I would be brunching with this purse and stuff and be like, where you get that purse from? Brandon Blackwood. He's black owned. Did you know that? You should go and shop, support. But I like it. It's cute, it's different. It's black owned. It's a luxury black owned on top of that. So get into it. And then whenever the pony hair comes out, I would definitely probably be getting a pony hair purse from them. And then I'll also link this purse down below just in case it is. It should still be available, because last time I looked it was still available. But I would definitely link this purse down below, and then I'll also link his website down below. And I believe his Instagram is Brandon Blackwood NYC or something like that. I promise y'all will find it, because you know, he posts his designs on there, and you know, all that hoopla, you know. But yeah, this was, I don't know, I really enjoyed this. I'm glad that it came like how I thought it would be, and I'm not disappointed. So this is a 5 out of 5 for me. But what about y'all? What about y'all? Y'all like it or no? Y'all like it or no? And I really, the strap is really for me, because sometimes I get tired of carrying my purses like this. So I like to just put it on my shoulder, and then if you one of the girls that put it, you know, across, can you do it? Ooh. I mean, I wouldn't wear it like this, but if you're that girl, you can make the strap longer and have it across. But I just like it on the side, so yeah. So you guys, if you like my unboxing video, make sure y'all like, comment, and make sure you subscribe, become a brownie, become a part of the family, and continue to grow with me on this journey. Again, make sure y'all check out the website and support y'all black owned businesses, okay?